The evolution of traditional to new media has transformed the way information is accessed, consumed, and shared. From ancient forms of communication such as oral storytelling and cave paintings to the advent of print media, radio, television, and now digital platforms. The profession of media has had a proud impact on human society. This evolution has not only changed the way we receive news and entertainment, but has also influenced culture, politics, and social interaction. In this rapidly changing landscape, it's important to understand the shift from tradition to new media and their implication for individual and society as a whole. Traditional media refers to the old and original forms of communication that were used before the internet and digital technology became popular. These include newspaper, radio, television, magazine, books, poster, and even cinema. It is called traditional because it follows the one-way flow of information from the sender, like a news reporter or radio announcer, to the receiver, the audience or public. The audience cannot instantly respond or interact, unlike the social media today. Traditional media was the main source of news, information, and entertainment for many years, especially during the 90s. It played a big role in educating people, sharing cultural values, and informing the public about important events. Even though we now live in the digital age, traditional media is still important and useful, especially in places where the internet is weak or unavailable. New media refers to the modern and digital ways of communication that use the internet, computers, and smartphones. Unlike traditional media, new media allows people to interact, share, and create content instantly. With new media, people can communicate in real time, give feedback, post their own videos or message, and access new entertainment or education anytime and anywhere. Some examples of new media are social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, blogs, YouTube, online games, and messaging apps like Messenger and WhatsApp. New media has significantly changed the way people live and interact. It has given everyone a voice, allowing individuals to influence opinions, start movements, promote businesses, or build personal brands. It also plays a big role in education and activism, helping spread important information quickly. However, it also comes with challenges, such as the spread of misinformation, online bullying.
Pangalawa ang Pilipinas sa may pinakamaraming kaso ng online na pang-aabuso sa mga bata sa buong mundo ayon sa isang grupo.
And privacy concerns. Being aware of how we use new media and its effect is important in today's digital world.